Welcome to the Copilot content generation demo for faculty, staff, and graduate students. During this demo, we will show you how to use Copilot to create high quality content, presentations, reports, announcements, and more, allowing you to save time and focus on other priorities. Our first round of use cases will show you how to create presentations with simple prompts. To follow along, open a blank presentation deck, click on the Copilot icon, and then click Create a new presentation. Faculty, staff, and graduate students can also reference a file. You can tell Copilot to write a presentation based on a Microsoft Word document like a policy or a procedure. In this case, let's tell Copilot to create a PowerPoint presentation outlining training and development programs for faculty. But once again, this is a demo for faculty, students, and staff. So students and staff can also follow along. Enter any prompt, asking Copilot to create content for you. You will notice that it provides an outline, and then you can move things up and down as necessary, and then click on Generate Slides. You will notice that Copilot is adding titles to the slides. It is also, as you're about to see, adding images. This process normally takes faculty, staff, and students hours, sometimes days, to actually create a presentation like this. And you will notice that Copilot literally does it within minutes. And here you go. Presentation is done. If you like what you see, you can click down here where it says keep it. And the presentation is done within minutes. For our second round of use cases, we will show you how faculty, staff, and graduate students can use Copilot to create a wide range of content. For example, faculty can create research papers, staff can create an internal announcement or newsletter. Students can say, Copilot, I already have an existing content. I want you to improve it. To follow along, open up a blank Microsoft Word document, and then I will enter this prompt for faculty. But once again, students and staff can also enter their own prompts to follow along. You will notice that based on just a few prompts provided to Copilot, it has actually drafted content, an extensive level of research paper around the effects of stress factors and stress management interventions. And if you like the content, you can keep it, you can delete, you can tell Copilot to edit. In this case, we can go ahead and keep this generated research paper. Once again, this shows you how Copilot can produce top-level content in minutes with just a few prompts. One more thing that we mentioned here is graduate students, as well as staff or faculty, can actually ask Copilots to improve on content. So in this particular case, You can highlight any of these. Click here on the Copilot icon, and you can tell Copilot to rewrite. You can tell Copilot to add more content. And then let's see. And here you go. Copilot has added more content. And we will click on keep it. So that is just another high-level overview of how you can start seeing the power of Copilot. For our third and final batch of use cases, we will show how faculty can use Copilot to create reports centered around existing research. But once again, staff can also follow along by asking Copilot to do a similar thing or create an internal memo. Graduate student can also ask Copilot to format information. So in this case, we will go and open another blank document. We will click here. And other times you can also see the Copilot icon within the document. But in this particular case, let us give this prompt to Copilot to create content. So here we go. So in this case, we are asking Copilot to create a report based on existing research. And this is how easy it is to generate reports using Copilot, a process that normally takes hours and sometimes days. Copilot actually gets it done within minutes. And these are just a few examples of the power of Copilot. Don't forget to watch the other demos which we put together to explore more time and how you can save time and optimize your productivity using Copilot. We wish you the best of luck.